Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to view all your saved Wi-Fi passwords on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type control panel. Open it guys. Select view by two large icons and select network and sharing senders. And in connection you will be getting Wi-Fi over here under the internet. Select your Wi-Fi. And I will be guiding you guys. I am not using Wi-Fi connection, I am using Ethernet guys. I'm gonna guide you. You just need to, next to the details there will be a wireless properties. Just click on it, and after that the new window will appear guys. You just need to click on the security tab, will be there. Click on security tab and you just need to check mark the show characters. You just want to check mark the show characters in there. You just want to check mark it, and after doing it click apply and OK. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.